In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a budget versus actuals report in QuickBooks Online. This report is a great way to see how your business is performing against the budget you set, highlighting where you're on track and where things might need attention. Start on the main QuickBooks Online dashboard. From the left-hand navigation panel, select Reports. This takes you to the Reports area where everything is organized. At the top, switch to the Standard tab, so you're looking at the built-in report library. The Standard tab is where QuickBooks keeps the default reports you can run without building anything from scratch. Next, use the search bar on this page. Type Budget versus Actuals, and when you see that report in the results, click it to open. QuickBooks will load the report, which may take a moment, especially if you have a lot of accounts or a long date range in your books. Once it appears, you'll see your budgeted amounts compared to what actually happened, with differences clearly shown, so you can spot variances quickly. Now, let's make it more useful by customizing it with the toolbar at the top. First, adjust the report period to match the time frame of your budget. For example, if your budget is set for the current fiscal year, choose that same period here. Keeping the period aligned ensures the numbers actually line up with your plan. If you want to zoom in on a particular month or quarter, pick that specific date range so the report focuses on what you need to review right now. Next, choose which columns to include. This is where you decide exactly what you want to compare at a glance. You can include columns for actual amounts, budgeted amounts, and the difference between them. Some businesses also like to see the variance as a percentage for quick context. If you're presenting this to a team, consider simplifying columns so the most important comparisons stand out and the report is easy to read. As you adjust the range in columns, the report will refresh to reflect your selections. Spend a moment scanning the totals and a few key accounts to make sure the view matches what you expect. If the report looks empty or incomplete, it often means the selected period doesn't match your budget setup, or certain accounts don't have budget values assigned. Aligning the period usually resolves this quickly. And that's all. You've opened the Budget versus Actuals report, let it load, and customize the period and columns so it clearly shows how your actual results compare to your plan.